I'll be showing you how to set up the heart rate sensor on your Powerbeats Pro 2. So open up the case to have them connect to your phone and then go to the Powerbeats Pro app. For the iPhone, that will be obviously settings and then tap the Powerbeats Pro app. Now from here, scroll down and you should see the heart rate sensor. Okay, now it's going to be disabled by default. You want to go and enable it and then tap on see how it works. Okay, so let's look at the heart rate sensor. A secure fit is important, so make sure you wear the earbuds properly with a secure fit, and you can make sure you have the secure fit by using the ear tip fit test. Okay, now if you use this ear tip fit test, then you can make sure that you have the correct fit. Now the other thing you need to do is monitor your heart rate. So it says the Powerbeats Pro will capture your heart rate data when you wear both earbuds. All right, so let's tap on continue, and there you can see a diagram of the secure fit. Just means you're wearing the earbuds properly. And then now to monitor your heart rate, you can monitor them during workouts. So place the earbuds in both ears and start an activity using a compatible fitness app, right? So that could be the normal activities app for your iPhone, and it's gonna send all that data to your iPhone, right? So that is basically how you can monitor your heart rate. Now I'm just gonna add one more thing here. Now, if you're in the gym and you have something like gym equipment, you can actually connect these earbuds to the gym equipment, for example, your treadmill, and then you can get even more accurate heart rate readings from there. Okay, but basically, once you set it up, once it's enabled, all you have to do to measure your heart rate is put on your earbuds and start doing activities, and the earbuds will measure your heart rate. The heart rate sensor is actually right here on the earbuds, as you can see. Okay, so you have the normal sensor for the in-ear detection, and then you have this sensor for the heart rate. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.